the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Essentially, your brain gets tricked into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. Studies show that people who use screens before bed often experience shorter sleep durations and more fragmented sleep. How to fix it? Ideally, stop using screens at least 30 minutes to an hour before bed. If that feels impossible, consider using blue light filters on your devices or switching to night mode. You can also pick up a good book instead. Habit number 2, eating late at night. Are you someone who enjoys a late-night snack? While it may seem harmless, eating too close to bedtime can seriously impact your sleep quality and your overall health. When you eat, your body focuses on digesting the food, which keeps it from properly winding down for sleep. This can lead to indigestion, acid reflux, and even nightmares. Not only does this disrupt your sleep, but it can also contribute to weight gain over time, as your body struggles to process food while it's supposed to be resting. How to fix it? Try to avoid eating heavy meals or snacks at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you're really hungry, go for something light and easy to digest, like a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts. Habit number 3, inconsistent sleep schedule. One of the worst habits that's probably ruining your life, without you even realizing it, is having an inconsistent sleep schedule. If you're someone who goes to bed at 10 p.m. one night and 1 a.m. the next, you're putting your body in a state of constant confusion. Your internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm, thrives on consistency. When you sleep at irregular times, your body doesn't know when to release sleep-inducing hormones, and this affects your ability to fall asleep quickly and wake up feeling rested. Long-term, this can even lead to problems like insomnia, anxiety, and a weakened immune system. How to fix it? Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This consistency will help regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier for you to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Habit number 4, drinking caffeine or alcohol before bed. Many people think that having a glass of wine before bed helps them relax, or that drinking coffee late in the day won't affect them. But both caffeine and alcohol are notorious for disrupting your sleep. Caffeine, found not just in coffee but also in tea, chocolate, and some medications, stays in your system for hours, preventing you from falling into deep restorative sleep. On the other hand, while alcohol might help you fall asleep faster, it interferes with your sleep cycles, particularly REM sleep, which is crucial for mental restoration. How to fix it? Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. if possible, and limit alcohol consumption, especially close to bedtime. If you do drink, make sure to hydrate and give your body time to metabolize the alcohol before hitting the sack. Habit number 5, not creating a relaxing sleep environment. Your bedroom environment plays a massive role in the quality of your sleep. If your room is too bright, too noisy, or even too warm, it can prevent you from falling into a deep sleep. Things like clutter, uncomfortable bedding, or even having your pets in bed with you can all contribute to a restless night. Your brain associates your surroundings with certain activities, so if your bedroom isn't set up for sleep, you'll find it harder to switch off. How to fix it? Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Keep the room cool. Around 60-67 degrees or 15-19 degrees C is ideal. Use blackout curtains to block light and invest in comfortable bedding. You should also eliminate noise as much as possible. White noise machines or earplugs can be a great help. Keep your room clutter-free and only use it for sleep and relaxation, not work or entertainment. Habit number 6, overthinking and stressing before bed. Ever find yourself lying in bed, unable to fall asleep because your mind won't stop racing? Overthinking and stress are two of the biggest culprits behind sleepless nights. When your brain is constantly buzzing with thoughts, your body remains in a state of heightened alertness, preventing you from winding down and falling asleep. This habit of overthinking can lead to chronic insomnia, increased anxiety, and even depression over time. It's like a vicious cycle. The more you stress about not sleeping, the harder it becomes to actually fall asleep. How to fix it? Practice relaxation techniques before bed, like deep breathing, meditation, or even journaling to unload your thoughts. Creating a calming bedtime routine can signal to your brain that it's time to relax. You could also try listening to calming music or guided sleep meditations to help ease your mind. An often overlooked habit that could be ruining your sleep is your sleeping position. The way you sleep can affect your spine, neck, and overall comfort throughout the night. If you sleep in a position that puts strain on your body, such as on your stomach or in a twisted, uncomfortable way, you might wake up with aches, stiffness, or even headaches. Long-term poor sleep posture can lead to chronic pain and decreased sleep quality. Sleeping on your back is considered one of the best positions, as it promotes better alignment of your spine and neck. Side sleeping is also great for reducing issues like snoring or acid reflux, but make sure to use a supportive pillow to maintain spinal alignment. How to fix it? If you wake up with discomfort, experiment with changing your sleeping position. Consider using pillows to support your neck, back, and hips for better alignment. If you're a side